Okay.
I'm alright, how are you? Good to see that.
Okay, second unboxing video, and when Indy stop messing around. These are good. Oh, see, now you're into it. Now you want to get involved.
No.
Action!
Hi.
Hi.
I'm Indy. This is Mike.
Second unboxing video. First one's done. Yes. We have an Airrex kit here, so as much as I know about it, it's a little bit, which is enough. Indy knows a lot more, so it's better to get an expert in to explain everything you get in the kit. Like we said on the previous unboxing videos, it's good to actually show you what you're getting. You'll see a car on Instagram or YouTube that's got Airrex onto it, and all you'll see is it lowered. But it's nice to see what's actually in the kit and what's involved. So, Indy, would you please tell us what's in this kit? This is from Mark 6 Gold.
So included in the kit, you get the strut pack and the management box, which you'll see on the floor there. So yeah, front left damper. You see it's a direct bolt-on strut attachment there for the anti-roll bar. Camber top mount, damping adjustable strut, and that is a direct replacement for the front strut.
So basically this will replace the whole leg, shock, everything else replaces. So this is normally where the coil spring would be, and this is a replacement of the bag system.
Yeah. The strut itself is fully adjustable. The body is anyway, so you can adjust the height, set your ride height perfectly, set the pressure in the bag perfectly. So if you've got some really wide wheels, you can set up the stance absolutely perfectly as well on the car. With the rear setup again, rear dampers are included with the kit. Damping adjustable, height adjustable, again to set the ride height of the car. Then you get the rear bags, which are just a replacement for the original coil spring, fit into the original mounting points, so that'll sit at the top, that'll fit into the bottom of the arm and secure it. So that's the struts. You also get your drop links included as well, which are adjustable height, so you have no knocking noises or anything.
That's for the anti-roll bar, isn't it? Yeah, because obviously when you go low, the front anti-roll bar will start, if you're not careful, to catch onto the drive shafts. So this obviously just gives you a bit of adjustment. And as you can see on here, these all are where the air lines plug into.
Air lines plug in, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So the kit will also come with 4 air lines, won't it?
Yeah, 4 air lines, already pre-cut to size, so the rears are obviously shorter because that's generally where your management box will be, or your management if you're not using a box, but this time we are, so.
Yep.
Just to be fair, the way Airrex do it is so it's easy to install, easy to service, which is the biggest thing, especially in the cold temperatures. We generally don't have any issues in the cold temperatures, so yeah, service is generally quite good.
Perfect, and it also comes with a complete kit, so everything you need basically to fit it is in the box.
That's it.
So it comes with a box already sort of pre-built, if you like.
Yeah, pre-built box includes a 444C black Via compressor, 3-gallon tank, Airrex manifold, which is adjustable to speed and how quick it goes up and goes down. You get the 2 controllers. One is wireless but doesn't have Wi-Fi. The other one is completely wired, but you also get to use a Wi-Fi app on your phone. It means you get to use all the different features, all up, all down, those kinds of things. But everything is made so that it's direct bolt on, and everything's there that you ever need to use to install, so it's dead easy.
And where can we find all of these kits?
All of these kits are available by Motech Performance.
They are indeed, yeah.
They will give you supreme strut
with air. Yeah. So we're going to try and do a few more of these kits. Applications go from, I guess, caddy vans to
caddy vans,
Lamborghini.
Pagani, Huayra, Lamborghini Aventador.
Of course I have done that.
You've seen the Ferraris and Lambos that we've already done before on the Motech channel, so
yep.
Yeah, loads of cool stuff.
That's it. Start looking about to buy one.
Life is just